My name is Samarth Bhatt. I'm working in Bisineer Engineering Private Limited, wherein we have installed in Google Hyderabad. As we can see in the background, there is a collector, hot water collector panel that is around 200 in numbers. This collector panels generates around 25,000 liters per day. And there is a heat pump of 6,000 liters per day, which is 6 in number. We have installed RO of 2,500 LPH and its capacity is around 50,000 liters. A pneumatic system is compulsory for a hot water system and RO. So we have installed two pneumatic system of pumps. That is for one is for hot water and one is for RO.